Seems like October is everything month, but it's also National Fire Prevention Month. So joining us today from Joyce Insurance, we have Lynn and Shane, two licensed personal risk managers. So nice to see you both.
Nice to be here.
So Shane, get us started. Tell us about Fire Prevention Month.
Fire Prevention Month, the main goal is to raise awareness for fire safety and ensure that your home and family is protected in the case of an emergency.
So what are some things that our viewers can do at home?
It all starts with smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers. You want to make sure that they're on each level of your house. Think of your kitchen, outside of your bedrooms, and a place where is commonly, where they don't put smoke detectors is your garage.
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you have smoke detectors all throughout your house.
Now, what do you do about testing those alarms?
Well, you want to test your alarms as much as you can, at least twice a year.
Right.
Make sure that those are working. Make sure that you're changing those batteries out at least twice a year.
And I know growing up as a kid, my family always had that escape plan. So we would run through that every now and then when school reminded us.
Yes, the escape plan is really important. It's just basically talking to your family, making sure you know the exits of each room. And also, you want to have that central location outside of the home where everyone's going to meet in the case of an emergency.
All right, now what about service to your furnace?
Yes, that's another important thing. Now's the perfect time for that. You want to make sure you get a professional out, get your furnace serviced. They'll check everything out. If you have a wood burner or fireplace, also have the chimney checked out as well.
Some really great reminders for our viewers at home. Now, Lynn, let's talk to you about what homeowners can do to help ensure that their home is properly covered if a fire does happen.
Well, one of the things that you could do is when you receive your homeowner's renewal, don't just file it away. Look it over. Know the coverage. You should be aware of what your home is insured for. If you have any questions about that coverage or if you're not sure if you're properly insured, contact your agent. That's what they're there for. It's better to ask questions, review coverage before a claim occurs. You cannot change your coverage for that claim after the fact.
Now, what about coverage reevaluation?
Every 3 to 5 years, it's a good idea to contact your agent, kind of reevaluate, go over the features of your home. As agents, we have a replacement cost estimator tool, and it allows us to input information about your home, and it calculates for us the amount of coverage you need to rebuild your home, and that's important. That's where you want to be.
Now, if you're doing any structural additions, improvements, modifications to your home, do you need to let your insurance agent know?
Yes, keep that communication open with your agent. If you do any changes or improvements to your home, it's important to contact your agent. They could reevaluate your dwelling to make sure you're properly insured.
All right, some great tips today in National Fire Prevention Month. Shane and Lynn, thank you so much for your time. If people want to reach out to Joyce Insurance, how can they do that?
They can go to our website, joyceinsurance.com.
All right, awesome. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.
Thank you.